Do you have moles? Many of us do, and most are harmless. But even one cancerous spot can be fatal. The good news is that when detected early, people are faced with greater chances of survival. However, if left unnoticed, this drops drastically. This means that everyone should have access to fast, quality medical care, but many people are waiting over 60 days for a dermatologist appointment, and unfortunately, skin cancer doesn't wait. With DermEngine, doctors can capture, document, and analyze patient images all within the secure platform, with every step of the patient care process simplified using the latest artificial intelligence-powered tools. Utilizing custom-made software, DermDrone is programmed to carry out total body photography with a minimalistic solution. Compared to current standards, this drone is a fraction of typical costs and eliminates the need for large rooms to hold bulky machines. Captured images are synced with DermEngine, where the mole mapping tool can automatically map the patient's spot to their virtual 3D body map. When the patient returns for the next imaging session, mole matching will then identify differences between the two consecutive images and prioritize them based on the amount of change. Suspicious spots can then be submitted to DermEngine's visual search. Here, the algorithms will comb through a database of thousands of pre-labeled images to retrieve images that look visually similar to the doctor's current case, while providing valuable statistics to help the physician make confident, evidence-based clinical decisions. Currently, GPs are on the front lines in the battle against skin cancer, with a high portion of their cases relating to skin. Unfortunately, many of them don't feel they have enough training to diagnose skin cancer cases and are referring them to dermatologists. By harnessing the power of AI for clinical support, GPs can use a library of reference images to help them make educated clinical decisions. United, AI can support healthcare professionals to provide quality care in every step of their practice. Working together, DermDrone, mole mapping, mole matching, and visual search can achieve this vision with AI at its core. Above all, this allows physicians to focus on what matters the most, their patients. By promoting the early detection of skin cancer through easy access to educational tools with affordability, MetaOptima strives to support doctors in every step of their journey in the fight to save lives.